Hello, in this video I'll show you how to unlock Redmi 13X without the password. Okay, so as you can see, we have our lock screen enabled and we cannot remember the password. And now what to do? But before we begin, I'll only tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that may be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical, so only try to unlock your device. So, to unlock this device we can perform a factory reset using the recovery mode. But be aware that by using this method we will lose all of our data, so it's like the final method if anything else doesn't work. Before resetting you can always go to the authorized center with the proof of purchase and there look for help. I'll show you how to perform that factory reset. So now we need to turn off our device, click the power button and volume up button and select power off. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. And when the logo appears we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. So keep holding both of the buttons first. Now release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. Now we need to select wipe data by clicking volume down, and now click the power button. Now again select wipe all data, click the power button, and now this is the last chance to cancel. When we click confirm, our data will be deleted. But thanks to that we will be able to set up our device from the beginning, and we will get access into our device. So click on confirm, now the process will start. We need to wait now until it's finished. Okay, data wipe successfully, now click back to main menu, select the reboot. Now reboot the system, and now we need to wait until the device turns on, and then we need to set it up. Okay, that's all on this video, thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.